and welcome back to yet another episode of Cars and Engineering. This engineering episode, or this Cars and Engineering episode, is currently another 1.8 20 valve turbo build. I'll explain more, but stay tuned.
I can't let go, so just stay tuned for
A quick little update. As I was saying, this is yet another engine. This isn't the same one as I've already stripped down on the channel. Again, I've not really stripped this one down on camera because it's frankly boring. It's putting it back together, which is the more interesting part. However, this is another engine I've had to purchase and strip down, not because I needed the block, but because I needed another head. And buying a cylinder head on its own cost basically the same, if not less, than buying a new engine and a new cylinder head attached to it. So you can see there's some parts down here. This is another bare block. I've already taken one of the con rods out and measured this journal, which unfortunately needs a regrind, so the crank will probably need regrinding all over. I need to get the whole lot out and measure it, but that will be another video. So this is just a quick update to say this is a different engine. The reason why I'll show you over here. Right, so this is inside the combustion chamber itself. You can see it's 5 valves per cylinder, as all 5 valve turbos. 3 inlet, 2 exhaust. 3 inlet, 2 exhaust, 3 inlet, 2 exhaust. But you'll notice they have these little pads. So there's a pad there, and pad there. Pad there, and pad there. Now,
how this rivalry becomes a dynasty.
what these pads are, they're quench pads, so I'm told. They take heat out of the cylinder while the car's running. Now, I was originally going to get these machined out, and that is what the plan was with the previous head, but the machine shop I took it to made an absolute pig's ear of it and destroyed the head. So now this is the head, or second head, that I need. You can see it's very dirty, it's leaking oil, but that is the reason why I've had to purchase another engine, which has pros and cons. Yes, I've got a cylinder head that isn't quite good anymore, but we've got another block. As I said earlier, that crank may need to be reground, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to get both cranks out, measure both of them, use the better one, or either grind one down and use it undersized with oversized bearings. So we'll see. But this is why there's a new engine. I'm just about to start the strip down process and the measuring process, and then ordering some parts up and getting everything refitted. But quick little update for you guys, just to let you know where we're at with the Polo engine build. There is a new car coming to this channel soon. That video's been delayed due to things outside of my control. But keep your eyes peeled, make sure you subscribe, and hopefully we'll see you in the next one. Take care.